Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I don't actually have a proper video for this week. I'm so sorry guys. I've been working on a few big projects behind the scenes, but today I wanted to give you some updates on the things that I've been working on. Not the big ones, but the kind of big ones, let's say. So I've got a new scale shape. We've got this bad boy. It's quite similar to my previous one, but it's more triangular. And I also made it in 3 different sizes, so that's quite exciting. My previous tail was made out of just one size and shape of scale. It was about this big, but I really like bigger scales, so hopefully this one will look quite nice. And I actually made some samples here in the background. So we've got some teal ones, some purple ones, more purple ones, and more teal ones. Now don't look at the colors, they're actually for something completely different. They're not for the tail, and you can't see that much detail with the colors. So yeah, definitely that's not the color scheme I'm going for. And you can see here another silicone sample. So this is actually just leftovers from these. So whenever I have some excess silicone, I just put it in the molds. So my shell mold that I really like because it's quite big, so I can fit a lot of leftovers in there, and I have a little shell that I can stare at and play with. So that's quite nice. I could probably just mix less silicone, but that's not as fun. So yeah, and then I have some color samples. Fun! So here in the middle you can see this shell is missing its top, and that's because I made it clear. And what do we know about clear silicone? It gets stuck in the molds. Don't use clear silicone unless you know how to do it properly, because I'm still working on it, honestly. But yeah, so I have some more magenta pink and a little bit of white-ish with like a blue tint to it. You can't really see it on camera very well. But then we have this baby, and I'm so excited because I think I found my color scheme for the mold, for this mold, the big boy over here. So we've got some pink and white in a kind of like a marble effect. It's not perfect yet, but I think this is what I'm gonna go for, and it goes with the squid as well. So I'm quite happy with that. You can still see some imperfections here, and that's because I actually thinned out the silicone I used for the sample. That's why it's so floppy, and I use white spirit to do that. I'm probably gonna leave that out for the actual mold. Like, I'm not gonna thin it out because it's toxic. So even though it evaporates, I'm not sure how it's gonna work with like putting the tail in water. If it's not safe for marine animals and stuff, I'm probably just gonna avoid that. But it's a fun thing to do if you want to make casting silicone for something else, or if you want to make more flexible molds. Look at that, so floppy, and it's the same silicone as here, and this one is more stiff, you know. Alrighty, and that's pretty much all that I've been working on that I can show you at the moment. There's more things happening in the background that I can't show you yet, but they're quite exciting. Oh wait, actually, I have this doll here. Hello. That's so random, I'm sorry guys. But yeah, that's something I made a few months ago now. It's a posable kind of doll made out of latex and wires and weird things, and the head is made out of polymer clay. Yeah, weird thing. I don't know what why I'm showing you guys this. But hey ho, here's a creepy mermaid doll. Might come in handy for Halloween. Might do something fun with it. But yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, maybe a little bit. Let me know what you think about the color combinations and my scale shapes and plans for the future. And the secrets will be revealed soon, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you in my next one. Bye! you.